So we're just looking for the right area right now. Looking for something with tall grass to make a nice little bed, give a little bit of extra cushion.
You know what?
What?
A lot of people don't think that the ground actually gets wet at night, but it do.
Old man jokes. Looks like a flat, nice piece of earth.
Okay, you know, going camping always doesn't have to break the bank. You can do it inexpensively. So here, I'm gonna show you a really good solution for a low-cost tent that'll fit 1 to 2 people comfortably. No excuses not to go camping. All right, what's up campers, what's up? I'm Steve, I'm here with Tony. We're Beastmode camping. In this one, I'm gonna check out this Embark 2-person tent. Fits 1 to 2 people. It's pretty lightweight, it's inexpensive. We're gonna set it up, crawl around in it, check it out, show you why you have no excuses not to go camping, especially when it comes to money.
See how heavy that is.
Relatively inexpensive. It's not bad.
Not horrible.
Not horrible at all. So let's just get right to it, shall we? Zip. I've had this tent for probably 2 or 3 years now, and I've used it several times. And look at how good that zipper still works. You know what I mean? That's a big deal. So I found this spot right here is relatively flat, you know. The grass can be good sometimes too because it gives you a little extra cushion under your tent. So I'm gonna take the little strap off there. This is like, dude, this thing is, how easy is this, man? Look, boosh. I really like this tent because it's small and easy to carry around. At the same time, it's not expensive, so just about anybody could afford one of these things. And that is basically the size of it right there, you know? This is the Rainfly.
That's the Rainfly.
Yeah, it's a 2-piece, just like most of your other tents. It's got the inner part with the screen mesh, and then this is the Rainfly that goes over the top. So you can remove the Rainfly if it's hot outside, get real good airflow through this mesh. So I'm just gonna stretch it out right here. Now this is a pretty standard tent setup. The size and the cost that attracted me to this one. Because it's small, these things are short, so they're pretty easy to handle, you know?
What do we do with these?
Here, I'm gonna put this one in first.
Okay.
You wanna grab the other end? Just take the little stick, put it in the hole. The hole at the end of the pole.
Okay.
I'm a poet and didn't know it. And this is pretty easy to set up with just 1 person too. I've done this by myself numerous times, and it's really pretty easy. All right, give it a push. There you go. Uh-oh, we slipped out.
Are these the stakes?
No, that holds the tent. So it's got this tab on it, and you just put it right in the end here.
Yeah, you did not say that last time.
I thought that.
Boom.
And that holds it.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. Other than that, it's got these little clips.
Well, it looks like we've got another pole right here.
Yeah, well, that goes on the Rainfly. Wow. It's your awning, man. So anyway, yeah, dude, I mean, you could go just like this. This screened all around there, so if it's a little warmer outside, you can literally do it just like that.
Okay.
And you'd be done. And they're very comfortable in here. But if it's a little colder and you're gonna want, you think it might rain, then you're gonna wanna use the Rainfly. Look for the Embark logo, and that goes on the front. So you can just toss it over like this.
You do like that?
Like I said, because it's so small, it's really easy to do it with 1 person, you know?
Right.
And then these have little bungees with hooks on them. And you bring these all the way down, and you hook them through that like keychain style loop there, like that. I'm gonna do it on the opposite corner over here just to pull it tight. Like that. And you just do that on all 4 corners. Even a caveman could do it. Now they do have the Velcro straps on them to help keep these lined up with the poles. that.
Now, what about this pole I keep worrying about?
I'm about to show you.
Okay. I'm
All right,
very worried about that pole.
Yeah, you're worried about the pole?
I am.
Okay, well, let me show you. That's the last Velcro. It's just a four corners Velcro kind of thing. You see, class,
Look up under there.
there's the angle of the dangle in the meat right here. You see that?
Yeah.
You got it? Yeah. And then you just take this and bend it out and put it in this side.
So it comes out like a little baseball hat.
Yeah,
Look at that baseball hat.
you gotta look at it. Isn't that special?
Yeah.
You can pull these out and stake them down and tighten everything up. If you see on the sides,
You can pull it out a little bit.
yeah, you can pull this out and it tightens everything up, and especially if it's windy.
If there's a storm or something.
Yeah, you definitely want to tie those down, but you don't really have to. That's just coming up because of the grass.
Okay.
But yeah, when you pull these tight, all that goes down flat. Well, and this coming out kind of keeps the water from dripping down and
Straight down.
and getting in your
That's awesome.
zipper here.
It does look like a little baseball hat. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. Check it out. So if I'm in here, and I'm about
7'2".
yeah, about 5'10", and it is just about right.
You can get in there with your gun, I see.
And you got enough room for one more person. Not much room for any gear if you put two people in here.
And it looks like we got one hook up there.
Yep, there's a hook here to hang a light or something.
All right.
It's also got little
Oh, it does.
hooks here and here. Like a lot of tents have a net
Yeah.
that will hang up here where you can stow stuff in. Mine doesn't have a net. Okay, you know what? It really pays off to really look through your bag and find all the stuff and see what you've got, because look what I found. It's the little net that goes up in the top.
You were just talking about.
I was just talking about that. It was in the bag and I didn't see it. So check this out, I'll put it in there for you. My other tent, I usually just leave it in there anyway and just roll it up with the tent. But literally you just take this and hook it on these little loops. Yeah,
And that's where you hang your panties to dry.
yeah. Or if you have like one of those little battery powered lanterns or something, you can turn it on and literally just stick it up here and lay it in this net and it lights up your whole tent.
Boom.
That's nice too.
Foot, it's coming up.
Yeah, it's got a good turn up to keep water from getting in. And it's
Yeah.
got these little corner meshes, I guess, where you can
Put your socks, your
yeah,
cell
or
phone.
whatever. Yeah, your cell phone and all that. But it's a really good tent for the money. I think I picked it up at a Walmart or something for like $39.95 or something. So
Okay.
$40.
Nice.
No excuse not to go. I can't go camping because I can't afford a tent. No, $40. Come on.
Yeah.
Anybody can afford $40. And then you can get them on Amazon. I don't know if they have this specific brand on Amazon, but you can get very similar brands on Amazon right around $40. You know what I mean? This door also has a window in it.
We come out here and it's 10 degrees, right?
Yeah, cold, real cold.
I was worried about the heat. Having such a small rain fly, that is awesome. I think this
Yeah,
might be
totally.
able to retain some heat.
Yeah, it probably would. And then obviously this rolls up and you've got the little clip like they all have.
Yeah, put it right there.
Yeah. Also,
Not
the
bad.
outer door has the same little clip. So when it's open, you can roll all that back. Extreme cold temperatures and didn't have
It
problems.
was okay? Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially being so small.
Yeah,
And
it
it's
retains
gonna-
your own body heat even.
Yeah.
Yeah, and your
So
breath.
that
What's the
and-
temperature out here right now?
It's only 40 degrees.
40 degrees? I'm starting to sweat in here.
Yeah, it feels like it's,
And it's 40 degrees
it's
out
getting
here.
about
Yeah.
70.
Yeah, just from the
probably.
two of us sitting here for what, a minute or two?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm starting
warm.
to,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
warming up, yeah. So it's definitely retaining some heat.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, I like it. It's a really cool tent. I don't know that you can get a better tent much cheaper than this. You know what I mean?
Right?
And also, you know, we didn't use them today, but it does come with your standard tent stakes. And you can see these are really dirty. Like I said, I've put this thing through the test already. I've had it for a couple years. It's like 7 stake sites, 1 on each corner, 1 on each side, and then 1 on the back, in the middle of the back to pull the rain flow.
I'll do 2 at a time, Steve.
Oh, look at you.
You know, just like with my pre-workout, just put in 1 scoop. I use 6.
He's sick. Because that's how I roll. When I'm folding these things up, the closer to the correct
You do a much better job than I do.
on the, you just stuff
I
it in there.
stuff
right?
it in there, man.
Well, you can, that doesn't work with these, man.
Yeah.
Yours is special, man. But when you get ready to roll it up, the closer to being the right dimensions,
Yeah.
the easier it fits in the bag.
That's why they need to make oversized bags for everything.
I think so too.
Add an extra 2 or 3 inches, man.
But when you're setting it, when you're rolling it up, if you just kind of take a look at how wide it is and make it just a little bit smaller, about like that. But you can use the bag to measure, you know?
Love it, dude.
Bam, putting this in the bag. Put all these steaks in this bag.
Here's the owner's Manuel.
Oh, Manuel.
He's my favorite mofo.
Rainfly. And steaks or poles. And steaks and Manuel in the tent. And see, when you measure it out, it fits in real nice. And it's usually pretty easy to zip up. Thanks again for watching this video. Be sure and give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure while you're in there to hit that bell. You'll never miss out on another video. We'll see you in the next one. Hey, Tony.
Yeah.
Embark. 2-person tent. Catch.